Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the value of tan x, given that 16 over sine to the sixth power of x plus 81 over cos to the sixth power of x is equal to 625. Now, there's a very simple way of solving this problem, but for that, you need to know Radon's inequality. Now, what does this inequality say? It states that if we have a number a1 raised to the power p plus 1 divided by another number b1 raised to the power p plus another number a2 raised to the power p plus 1 divided by another number b2 raised to the power p plus other fractions that look exactly like these two, till the last one, which of course is an raised to the power p plus 1 divided by bn raised to the power p, that this sum must be greater than or equal to the fraction a1 plus a2 plus all the a's till the last one, which is an, to the power p plus 1 divided by b1 plus b2 plus all the b's till the last b to the power p. But this inequality can only hold when all the a's, all the b's, and the p are positive, no negatives allowed. Now, the left-hand side of this inequality is going to be equal to the right-hand side if and only if a1 over b1 is equal to a2 over b2 equal to all the other fractions till the last one, which is an over bn. Now, let us look at the equation we were given. Of course, you know that we can write 16 as 2 to the power 4. And we can write sine to the sixth power of x as sin squared x raised to power 3. Of course, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And notice that the difference between these two powers, here we have p plus 1 and here we have p. You can see that p plus 1 minus p is equal to 1. Now, in this case, you can see that 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Then, of course, we have 81, which is 3 to the fourth power, divided by cos squared x to the third power. And from the equation, we have that this is equal to 625. Now, if we apply Radon's inequality to the left-hand side of this equation, then we have that 2 raised to power 4 divided by sin squared x raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 4 divided by cos squared x raised to power 3 must be greater than or equal to 2 plus 3 raised to power 4 divided by sin squared x plus cos squared x raised to power 3. Now, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 raised to power 4 is 625. Sin squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. 1 raised to power 3 is equal to 1. So, from this inequality, we have that this plus that must be greater than or equal to 625. Now, from the equation, we have that this is equal to 625. So, that can only mean that 2 over sin squared x must be equal to 3 over cos squared x. And of course, from here, when we cross multiply, we have that 2 times cos squared x is equal to 3 times sin squared x. Now, when we divide both sides of this equation by cos squared x, and we also divide both sides of this equation by 3, this is going to cancel that, and this is going to cancel that. From here, we have that 2 over 3 is equal to sin squared x over cos squared x. But now you know that sin squared x over cos squared x is equal to tan squared x. And of course, from here we have that tan squared x is equal to 2 over 3. Taking square root of both sides of this equation, we have that tan x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 2 over 3. So, tan x, when this condition holds, is equal to plus or minus root 2 over 3. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.